Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the app that fits your group and installing or updating it now. Make sure you have a stable connection. Prefer Wi-Fi with at least 5 Mbps upload or a solid 4G signal, because latency kills clarity. Register with your phone number or email, then grant microphone and notification permissions so the service can work. Once done, verify your profile name and avatar so others recognize you. This avoids delays when you create or join the voice room. You either create a voice channel or accept an invite link. Choose privacy settings to control participation. When you invite people, send the direct link or group message and assign moderators to manage speaking order and safety. Before broadcasting, test your microphone and speakers. Use the app's test feature or record a short clip to confirm levels. Make sure noise suppression is on and close background apps that hog bandwidth. These steps reduce echo and jitter, which keeps conversations smooth and natural. You wrap up setup by confirming who's attending, explaining speaking order, and starting the session. During the call, manage moderators, mute participants with background noise, and use recording or note-taking features if you need a transcript. Once done, end the room cleanly and check any saved recordings. If connectivity or audio problems happen, restart the app first, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, change DNS settings, or try a VPN as a last resort to restore stable voice performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.